We've been doing exciting work in many areas, including analytics, imagery, 3D, and more. Let's hear it from the developers who've been working on these initiatives.
The first one is what I would term distributed Web GIS. It's basically expanding Web GIS to be a network. Doesn't matter if you're online or on premises, you can create a network that reflects your organization. The next one is geoanalytics. So we're working on distributed computing and new ways of parallelizing and working with distributed data.
The spatiotemporal big data store is a new capability of ArcGIS that takes advantage of distributed computing. It allows you to store information at higher rates than ever before, do on-the-fly aggregations, and enable high-performance queries.
We've been working on this project called raster analytics, and it's all about processing large amounts of imagery, whether it's a single large high-resolution raster, or whether or not it's a collection of 10,000 Landsat scenes you want to turn into NDVI products.
The incorporation of hexagons, not just for visualization, but also for analytical purposes. You can create a space-time cube using hexagons or run optimized hotspot analysis using hexagons, which really enhances your capabilities from an analytical perspective.
3D is all about visual communication and getting that information out to others. For that, we have OneClick Publishing to Portal. So whatever you've got, your elevation, your vector data, just one click and up it goes to Portal.
ArcGIS Earth is an easy-to-use, lightweight experience that allows any user to explore 2D and 3D map data on a globe. Earth is also a great example of how our users can use our runtime to power applications with the 3D services that power our entire platform.
The Living Atlas is the largest authoritative collection of ArcGIS online content in the world. You can use it throughout the platform to do your analysis, and you don't need to go hunt for your own data.
Exciting new capabilities to the Collector for ArcGIS app. You'll be able to connect your smartphone or tablet device to an external GPS receiver and map data up to a centimeter level of accuracy. With Workforce for ArcGIS, you can manage the work that you need to do each day out in the field.
We also added 3D capability to Web App Builder. Now with a few clicks, you can build amazing and cool 3D apps running in the browser.
The 4.0 JavaScript API comes with powerful widgets that have been rebuilt from the ground up. These widgets have a simplified user experience and they can be styled many different ways.
1.3 brings geodatabase topology into ArcGIS Pro. If you use precise dimension to enter data, the new Traverse tool allows you to cargo them in. It will be a foundational tool for future parcel editing in ArcGIS Pro.
We can't build it all. That's where we build the SDKs and the APIs that allow you to build add-ins and extend the software for what you specifically need.
Releasing at the user conference this year is a brand new Python API called the ArcGIS API for Python. This is going to allow Python developers to work with all aspects of the platform. And we've also got the release of the runtime if you're a native application developer.
As we look ahead to the end of the year, we have 10.5, online, apps, all coming out together along with Pro. We are very excited to see what you will do with the capabilities packed into these releases.